Hi guys, today I'd like to talk a little bit about a proper investing mindset. What does it take to make money in this space? I've heard numbers that there's probably about 80%, if not more, of the people that invest in cryptocurrency do not make money. That is kind of a scary fact, isn't it? If you think of it, that's a lot of people that lose money. I'd just like to take a few minutes and just talk about that, about how to make money or how to not lose money. Obviously, we're here to try and make money, or at least I hope so. That's what I'm here for, and I bet you are as well. So really, I see so many people in the market these days. When there's a crypto that's pumping on a green day, they get FOMO, a fear of missing out, and they want to buy on those pumps. Now, that's normally not a good idea to buy on green days. The best practice is to buy on red days when everybody else is scared and selling their bag. That's when you need to be greedy and buy the bag, especially if you've done your research and you know that you're buying into a good crypto asset. Again, no financial advice here. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. Anyways, moving on. So basically, the way to make money is sell when you're in profit. Sounds simple enough, but it's not so easy to do. I know, especially with the bear market that has been behind us, and we're still, I'm not sure if we are officially in the bull market yet or not, but when you look at Caspa and have been buying that one for some time, it feels like the bull market is here because it just keeps moving. It's now been consolidating around the 13-cent range for a little while, basically most of this week, 12 to 13, 14-cent range. Which is nice. It gives us some more time to accumulate. I just did a little bit of research on that, and I noticed one comment in the last video wondering where I had been at when the market cap of Caspa was 50 million. I hadn't heard of Caspa at that time, and I just did a little check back, and even just 1 year ago today, you could have bought 162,500 Caspa with $1,300, whereas today $1,300 will buy you 10,000 Caspa. So that is a significant difference. So that's just one little glimpse of what difference it makes getting into a project earlier. I'm not worried about the Caspa project. I believe it's going to net some huge gains yet in the next 2 years. But even in the future, even from going forward from into the next bull run, I think it's going to do a lot more than that yet. So it wouldn't be a bad thing really to just accumulate over the next several years, even depending on your financial situation, of course. But I'm just looking at what the possibilities are. I'm thinking even if Caspa goes to only to $3, and I think that is it's super easy that it's going to make it to $3. That would be what is it, 30x? I had written something down here before. Yeah, it's a 25x from today. And that's really good gains, honestly, in 2 years. Being able to turn $1,000 into $25,000. I mean, again, where can you do something like that other than cryptocurrency? It's hard to come by. And say Caspa goes to $5, which I think is highly possible, you're looking at pretty much a 40x from where we are sitting at today, which again, it's crazy, really, but you have to get started. That's the thing. You can't just sit on the sidelines and say, yeah, it's someday I'll get into it. Now is the time to get into it. Now is the time to grab a hold of it and get started if you haven't yet. For myself, I've been working on that throughout the whole bear market, pretty much just trying to accumulate at decent prices. Some have been good and some haven't been quite so good, but overall I've learned a huge amount over the last 2 years in the crypto space. It's been very good to follow it more closely, and just an overall look at the coming up bull run of 2025. The 2021 bull run, we were at a total market cap of the overall crypto market cap of pretty close to 3 trillion. This time around, I am expecting a lot bigger number there. I've heard numbers like 7-10 trillion, maybe even a lot more, depending, especially with the Bitcoin and the Ethereum ETFs that are likely going to be approved sometime soon. I don't think it's a matter of if they will be approved, it's just a matter of when they will be approved, and that is going to open the floodgates of trillions of dollars that will come into the market, because just because like BlackRock and all those companies that have not been they haven't brought their clients onto the crypto market before, but that these ETFs will make a huge difference in that. So if Bitcoin is going to, like right now it's at 38,000, I'm expecting probably 150,000 Bitcoin by the 2025 bull run. Could even be much higher because of the ETFs again. And then Ethereum is now sitting at about 2,050, somewhere in that area. And in the bull run, I would expect somewhere in the 10,000 range. So those are the two main ones. But then if you get down like to Caspa, which is now sitting at number 27, I expect in the next bull run, it will really climb a lot further. Because as I mentioned before, it has gotten to this place at number 27 on the market cap with no tier 1 exchanges whatsoever. And because it is a fair launch project, Caspa is not paying for exchange listings, whereas most projects out there, they pay exchanges to list them. Like they have to pay thousands of dollars for an exchange to list their cryptocurrency. But Caspa will not do that, being it's fair launched. So the exchange actually has to accumulate Caspa at whatever price it is, and then so it has liquidity so people can buy it off of their exchange, and then they make the money off of the fees, the trading fees, and so on. So that's kind of in a pretty short space of how that actually works. So I'm just really would like to encourage you guys to research it, do your research, and try to accumulate some, if at all possible. Not financial advice. And I was, in my last video, I mentioned I was going to put a link down in the video below for the Tangem wallet. For some reason, YouTube doesn't allow me to add that link at this point yet, because I haven't been on YouTube long enough. So I'm going to work on that and try to get that figured out. But in the meantime, if you do want to order a Tangem with my code, that code works. If you go on the Tangem website, that code works. and it is a 10% discount. Yes, I do get a couple bucks kickback from Tangem for that, but it is a small way to help with the channel. I do not take any paid promotions. I never plan to. I never will take paid promotions. I'm really just looking to put some honest content out here on YouTube and hopefully help you guys make some good decisions when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. One thing to be very careful for out there on YouTube is there's many YouTube channels that take paid promotions to promote certain cryptocurrencies that are really not very good investment at all. I would just really like to really watch out what you listen to and what you believe. Not saying you need to just listen to me. There is a few other good guys out there, and I don't nearly know everything, but I am trying to share what I know with you guys to help you guys make the best decisions and the best returns on your investment. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again.